The 5 prongs of the Synagogue Star represent the 5 prongs of the human body: feet, hands, and head. The top prong of the Synagogue Star, being the head, is most essential for survival. Seeing how all 5 prongs are equally represented means that there is a much deeper significance than representing the human body. The sounds of nature that humans can fathom are notes A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Those sounds of nature are the sounds of water, earth, wind, touch, lightning, gravity, and distance. All these sounds are distinguishable and manifestable to humans by themselves except gravity and distance. So there are 5 sounds humans can therefore replicate. In nature, the sounds of water and earth are most easily manifolded by our feet. In nature, the sounds of wind and touch are most easily manifolded by our hands. And in nature, the sound of lightning is most easily manifolded by our head. In comparison to the human body and the Synagogue Star, because the D note is in the center of the musical scale, then that makes the D note the best variable to represent the center prong, being the head, referencing its manifold ability of lightning. Because the A note and the G note are the furthest away from the D note, makes the A note and G note the best variable to represent the sounds of water and earth, being manifolded by our feet, as the bottom 2 prongs of the Synagogue Star. The sounds of gravity and distance are the same sounds of control and control itself, and these are best manifolded by our hip bones. This cements them as the F note and B note because they are the next variable on the musical scale past the A note and before the G note. This leaves the C note and E note to represent the sounds of wind and touch, being best manifolded by our hands, and is referenced by the 2 side prongs of the Synagogue Star. So the all-famous Synagogue Star is a symbol of the human manifestability alongside the natural musical scale, excluding the sounds of gravity and distance, because those 2 sounds are needed for balance and foundation purposes in human manifestability. The Synagogue Star symbolizes the human manifest with the natural musical scale as follows. The 2 bottom prongs are the interchangeable A note and G note, meaning sounds of water and earth, and represents our feet. The 2 side prongs are the interchangeable C note and E note, meaning the sounds of wind and touch, and represents our hands. The top prong is the non-interchangeable D note, meaning the sound of lightning, and represents our head. The Synagogue Star is a testament to being a witness of the 10 dimensions that is God, and is a symbol of appreciation to coexist as a civilization with other humans with natural musical manifestability.